Hello friend, today's topic is post-order traversal in binary search tree. We give the link of this program in description box. We already discussed the in-order traversal and pre-order traversal and create how to create binary search tree, and we give the link of this video in description box. We we start this program from post-order traversal. Now post-order traversal of the binary search tree. Now this is binary search tree. Post-order traversal condition is we execute left part and right part and root part. And now left part is 5, and after execute 7, and we execute 8 and 13, and then execute 11. Now post order traversal of the BST. Now this is the left part, and this is the data part, and this is a right part. Post order traversal of BST, post order root, we call the post order function. Now this is a post order function. Root value is 500. Now root not equal to null condition is true. Post order left, post order point the left part. This is left part, root point the left part value is 400. Now post this is point the left part, and post order root right. Now root point the right part, this is right part, and right part value is right part this, and this is point the this, because right value is 600. Now after we display the data, now we call the post order function. Post order function root point the this node, root point the this node, and root not equal to null condition is true. Then after post order root left, root point the left part value is 300, 300 point the this node, and this node, and post order root right, root point the right part value is null, right part value is null. And after we display the data part, after we display the 7, then we call the root left part, root point the this node, and post order root left value is null, null is inserted in root, root not equal to null, this condition is false because root value is null, then loop is terminated, and we check the condition is post order root right, root point the right part value is null, condition check, root value is null, root not equal to null, condition is false, then loop is terminated, and we execute this line, see out root data, root point the this node, and data value is 5, and 5 is display, and loop is terminated. And now post order root right, now root right point the this null, because root we take the reverse steps, and post order root right point the null, and root right value is null, and root value is null, null is not a null is insert in root, root not equal to null, condition is false, then loop is terminated, and see out root data, root point the this node, root point the this node, and see out root data. Now data part is 7, 7 is display. Seven is display, and root point post order point the root right part this, and and we call the root right part. This root value is 600 and 600 is uncertain null root. 600 is uncertain root. Root not equal to null. Condition is true. Then post order root left. Root left is null. Root left pointer this node. Now this is remove. Root left pointer this node. And post order root right. Root pointer this node and root right. Root pointer 700. Now root root pointer this node. Root pointer this node and root right. Root right value is 700. 700 is this and root pointer this node. And see out data. Data part is 18. 18 display. 18 is display and post order root right. Root right value is null. The null is check the null is inside and root. Root not equal to null. Condition is false. Then loop is terminated and post order root right. Now post order root right this and see out root data. Now see, root point the data part. Data part is 13. 13 is display. And now we reach the root part. See out root data. Root pointer this node. Root pointer this node. And this node value is 11. 11 is display. And we execute this program. We enter the value of nodes number is 5. First value is 11 and 7 and 5. 7, 5, 13 and 18. 13 and 18. Now check. 5, 7, 18, 13 and 11.